You started?
Yeah.
This is live, right?
This is live.
It's recording?
Yep.
Okay. Hey guys. Okay.
It's like home improvement.
Today we want to show you something super cool.
Alright, let's see this.
Okay. Besides this bandana, of course.
Bandanas, yeah.
Okay. What's it called, bro? It's called what? Mirror.
The mirror.
Special mirror.
Not the one you're looking at right now.
Infinity mirror.
Not the one you're looking at right
Not
now.
Ready? Recording? Live?
Yes.
Okay. Hold it. You can see, it's just a wall. Right? Just a wall. All over. Okay, ready? Recording? You got that?
Yep.
Okay, come on, let's go. Just a wall.
So this is the wall.
Look what happens to the wall.
Look what happens to the wall. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, dude. Whoa. What is that?
Whoa.
Damn.
Did you see two guys in there?
That looks like a hole through the wall, man.
Whoa.
Wow.
That is super cool.
That's amazing.
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
So you guys have seen this in the day?
Okay, we're starting recording now. What? You said something?
So this was an infinity mirror in the light.
In the day.
In the daytime.
Light time.
Now you want to see what it looks like at night?
It is night time.
It is nighttime, but this was in the lights. So you want to see what it looks like with the lights off?
With the real night time.
Yep, let's just go try
Not
that
the
out.
daytime. Alright.
I'll just go here and just switch the lights off. And are you ready for some magic?
Put it on board. Put it off.
Whoa. Bro,
Whoa.
that looks amazing.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's like a hole in the wall, man.
That is a hole in the wall, right?
That is crazy.
I don't even want to know where it goes.
Yeah, neither do I. Especially if it's going to my parents' bedroom.
Why did you say we live in our parents' house, bro?
Alright.
You weren't supposed to get that away.
Ignore that.
Delete. Fantastico.
Fantastic.
Alright, people,
That's an
so
infinity mirror.
that is what you call an infinity mirror.
Turn the lights on now.
Put it on. Okay?
Okay.
Awesome. So, hopefully, you guys learned a lot about science and physics and space, time,
And about the universe and about yourselves in general.
Einstein,
Yep.
relativity.
Yep. All that stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Sine, cos, tan, you know.
Geniuses.
Stuff.
Hello.
Stuff. Yeah.
Peace.